what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here, and today I'm going to talk to you about performing pulse lunges in our classes. Pulse lunges are one of the main variations of an alternating or walking lunge that we use in our boot camp classes. And for today's explanation of our pulse lunge, I'm going to give you a few quick cues that you can use to coach and instruct your clients on how to perform pulse lunges properly. Now, the same cues that I have used in our pulse squat video are really going to apply here when it comes to range of motion, okay? So I'm gonna set up in a lunge position. I'm gonna bring that knee down and just about kiss that knee to the ground, okay? Now from there, I'm gonna stay in that lunge position the entire time. I'm gonna pulse right about halfway up and then come back down, okay? So from here, I'm gonna demonstrate for you by stepping forward into a lunge position. Weight's going to be distributed towards the heel of my lead foot. I'm going to try and keep my torso nice and upright, keep my shoulders back the entire time, drop that back knee just about straight down, and not let that lead knee come over my lead toe. Okay, so from here, come down, and then pulse up and down, right like so. Okay. Now, as you notice, when I'm performing my pulse lunges, one of the mistakes that you're oftentimes going to see is we start getting tired and we start ending up either doing this, little pulses, or leaning forward and doing this. You'll see clients do that. If you have somebody that's really struggling with it, my recommendation for you as far as coaching and cueing them and when to stop coaching them goes would be to regress them to use the TRX safety handles so that they can get into a good position and maintain it and do a pulse lunge as an assisted exercise first, okay? That's a great regression to teach them proper mechanics for the exercise, and once they've built up enough leg strength and conditioning, they can move on to doing it manually, okay? Anyway, guys, use those coaching cues the next time we do pulse lunges in one of our boot camp workouts.